How to insert or remove a SIM card on your iPhone. If you open your phone box, then you can see this kind of pin bar, so you need to use this one. Then this side, left side, so you have to soft press, then just insert it. Then I already insert a SIM card, so see the direction like that. Is the top part. And now I have no network now, just insert it like that. Insert, and then on set insert, then wait a couple of seconds. Then here you can see my network is coming. If you go to your setting, then go to the mobile services, then here you can see my SIM is coming here. So if you want to add eSIM as well, press on add eSIM. Then if you have eSIM with another device like this device, then transfer from nearby phone. And if you have a QR code, just scan QR code, then you eSIM also add to your phone. To remove, same thing, just use this pen for removing iPhone SIM. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.